Everyone, this is Nimish. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to react to the trailer of Koti Gopa 3 after very long wait. Finally, movies are releasing, theaters are opening, everything is going back on track, and there's so many movies that are going to release. This is one of the biggest movies from the Kannada film industry, starring the one and only Kicha Sudeep. Koti Gopa 2 was a blast. Koti Gopa 3 promises much more. So let's go check out the trailer. Music by Arjun Janya as well, who has given this fantastic theme music of Koti Gopa that I always love. Let's go check out the trailer and then speak more about it. Here we go with Koti Gopa 3.
We got 4 blasts, 40 criminals dead, one hit at 750 million euros, and 7 thieves caught.
If this is done by one guy named Ghost, then tomorrow's headlines is gonna be this. Is Ghost a hero or a villain?
He might have escaped for now, but I will catch him.
Tab is in it.
ಚಿರ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪಾಠ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಓವರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಎರಡನೇದು ಓವರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಲೂಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ನೀನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿ. ನೀವು ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಗು.
There was the international portion and then the local.
ಏನು ಲವ್ವಾ?
Human population is the biggest problem in this world.
Wow.
ಈ ವೈರಸ್ನಿಂದ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆತ್.
ಈ ಸತ್ಯನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಮೈಕಲ್, ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಇಟ್.
ಶಿವಾನು ನೀನೆ, ಸತ್ಯನೂ ನೀನೆ, ಮತ್ತಿನ್ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು?
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ್ಯ ಸಿಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅವನು ಮುಖಾಮುಖಿ ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಬಲ್ ರೋಲಾ?
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಏನೋ ನಿನ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸು.
Double roll, Shiva Satya, Ghost.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Releasing on 14th October, not far away at all, in a week. This is a hyper exciting trailer. It starts off with great international cuts, great shots, comes back to the locality and the local area, India, abroad versus India, and has that contrast appeal to it. And then there's a love story, there's action, comedy, all of that as we expect from this kind of a movie. But then some of the interesting parts start. I am mind blown by the fact that this is based on a virus and controlling the virus and leaking a virus and controlling human population. That is a concept I did not expect to see in Koti Gopa 3. So that is going to be absolutely killer to watch that topic tackled. It is absolutely relevant right now. And so very surprised and happy to see that kind of a topic in here, because it adds content. And then of course we have the twists and turns and the ups and downs of the Koti Gopa style of movie that we had in Koti Gopa 2. You know, people asking if it's him, if it's someone else, if it's a double role, if it's a twin, all those kind of things, which I don't want to talk much about because we need to watch the movie to see any twists and turns and ups and downs in there. So looks incredibly entertaining. That background music is eternal and does not get old and feels like, you know, pumps up the sort of energy of the film and the vibe, and the everything about it is on point as what we would expect from Koti Gopa. So looking forward to this on 14th October. Let me know what you guys think of Koti Gopa 3 and what you got from the trailer as well in the comments below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and keep watching for much more.